students, I'm your new biology teacher, Shruti Kumari. The topic for today is the living world. So without wasting any time, let us see the questions. In plants, growth by cell division occurs A. till it reaches maximum height, B. continuously, C. discontinuously, or D. both A and B. So, the answer is yes, continuously. As you can see on the screen, this is a line from NCERT. So, any question can be made out of a line from the NCERT, so read it very carefully. Moving on to the next question. The order of mango and humans respectively is A. Poaceae primate, B. Anacardiaceae insecta, C. Solanaceae and Anacardiaceae, D. Anacardiaceae and primates. To attempt these kind of questions, you have to be thorough with the table given in the NCERT. You can see it on the screen. You have to learn this table by heart. So, the answer is A. Poaceae and primate. This question can be a tricky one if you don't read it carefully. If you don't see that mango is written first and human next. So please be careful. The next question. The family of wheat is A. Poaceae, B. Anacardiaceae, C. Fabaceae, or D. Liliaceae. This question is also made from that table. So, the answer is A. Poaceae. Choose the correct hierarchical ascending order of classification. By reading all the options, you must be confused between C and D. So, you have to read the question carefully because it is asking the ascending order. So the correct ascending order is D. Species, genus, family, order, class, division, kingdom. Had the question been descending order, then the answer would have been C. So read the question carefully. The next question. The plant order Polemonials consists of A. Solanaceae and Convolvulaceae, B. Fabaceae and Liliaceae, C. Leguminosae and Solanaceae, D. Convolvulaceae and Liliaceae. So, the answer is yes, A. Solanaceae and Convolvulaceae. This is a line from NCERT, as you can see on the screen. Plant families like Convolvulaceae, Solanaceae are included in the order Polemonials, mainly based on the floral characters. Next question. The genera not present in the family Solanaceae is A. Solanum, B. Allium, C. Petunia, D. Dhatura. The answer is B. Allium. Allium cepa is the biological or scientific name of onion which belongs to the Liliaceae family. So, to answer these kind of questions, you must be thorough with the names of the members of a family. If you know all the members of the Solanaceae family, you will be able to answer such questions. Or if you are aware that Allium belongs to Liliaceae, then also you will be able to answer. So, please be thorough with this. Next question. The specific epithet of black nightshade plant is A. tuberosum, B. indica, C. melongena, D. nigrum. The answer is C. melongena. These names are all present in the NCERT. So, there is nothing out of syllabus or out of NCERT in this question. You just have to be aware of all the scientific names present in the book NCERT. Next question. The process not basic to taxonomy is A. Finding evolutionary relationship, B. characterization, C. nomenclature, D. identification. This can be a very tricky question and a very confusing question, because if you are not aware, you cannot attempt this question. So the answer is A. Finding evolutionary relationship. It is not basic to taxonomy. Finding evolutionary relationship is a part of systematics. So as you can see on the screen, it is written in the NCERT. Hence, characterization, identification, classification and nomenclature are the processes that are basic to taxonomy. So the answer is A. Correct biological name of mango is B. Mangifera indica Linn. So in the NCERT, there are a set of rules given. You have to learn that rules by heart. Also the application of it. And this name, the biological name of mango, is given as an example in the NCERT, so you have to learn it. The next question from the same topic. Choose the incorrect statement from the following. Read the statements. The question has been asked about the incorrect statement, and the incorrect statement is C. Both the words in a biological name, when handwritten, are separately underlined or printed in italics to indicate its ancient origin. The incorrect word is ancient. It is printed in italics to indicate its Latin origin. So please read all the sentences and all the words very carefully for attempting such kind of questions. In the binomial nomenclature, Mangifera indica, indica indicates A. specific epithet, B. generic name, C. species name, or D. class of the plant. So the answer is A. specific epithet. You must be confused between A and C because they mean the same thing, but according to the binomial nomenclature, the correct word will be specific epithet. Mangifera indicates generic name and indica indicates specific epithet. Choose the incorrect statement from the following options. Read the statements. So, the incorrect statement is D. All living organisms are linked to one another by the sharing of common environment. Why is it wrong? Because we all organisms don't share the common environment. Also, it is a line from NCERT which says all living organisms are linked to one another by the sharing of the common genetic material. You can see it on the screen. Next question. The defining property of life is A. self-consciousness, B. consciousness, C. both A and B, or D. growth. So the answer is consciousness. Self-consciousness is only found in human beings. And growth. Growth cannot be the defining property of life, because if you consider the aspect of growth as the increase in mass, then non-living organisms also show growth. So the correct option is B. Fragmentation is shown by A. fungi, B. filamentous algae, C. protonema of mosses, or D. all of these. The answer is all of these. All of these members shows fragmentation. In majority of higher plants and animals, growth and reproduction are dash events. A distinct, B mutually inclusive, C mutually exclusive, or D same. So the meaning of mutually inclusive and mutually exclusive should be clear to answer such kind of questions. So the answer is C, mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive means different and inclusive means same. So in higher plants and animals, growth and reproduction are two different things, hence mutually exclusive. But if we take the case of unicellular organisms such as amoeba, growth and reproduction are the same thing for them because both the processes happen because of cell division. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.